You've made your first sales, now it's time to scale. Analyze your data. Which channels and products perform best? Double down on what works. Increase customer lifetime value by offering advanced products, bundles, or follow-up offers. Use automated emails to upsell and nurture repeat buyers. Gradually increase your ad budget or reinvest in better content. Remember, $500 a day is just a series of small, repeatable wins. With your systems running, these numbers are within reach. Start today, your autopilot business awaits. The first step is choosing your niche, a focused market with a specific need. Don't try to sell to everyone. Find a group with a clear problem or passion. Your sweet spot is where your interests, skills, and market demand meet. Start by listing your hobbies, skills, and problems you've solved. Don't filter, just brainstorm. Passion matters. It keeps you motivated and authentic. Next, validate your ideas. Check marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. Search for your niche and see what's selling. Competition means opportunity. For example, if you love indoor gardening, you could sell a digital houseplant guide, printable art, or a mini course. A friend did this. He created a simple PDF guide for plant care, promoted it in Facebook groups, and now earns steady passive income. The best niches solve real problems for real people. Find yours, and you're halfway there. Now, let's build your storefront. Welcome to 2025, where work is being redefined. The old model of trading time for money is fading fast. Now, digital tools and automation let you build businesses that earn while you sleep. This is the era of the autopilot entrepreneur. Imagine a business that runs itself, generating income whether you're working or not. Thousands are already living this reality thanks to accessible technology and a global marketplace. The goal: create a system that brings in $500 a day, real, sustainable income, and freedom. The secret: build value once, then let automation deliver it repeatedly. Think of it like writing a book. Effort up front, passive sales for years. Take Sarah, a graphic designer who automated her digital product sales and now earns over $500 a day, working less than 5 hours a week. Her story isn't unique, it's a sign of the times. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a huge budget, just a plan and the drive to act. In the next scenes, we'll break down the steps. From finding your idea to setting up systems that turn your effort into passive income. Let's get started. Your store is live, but you need visitors. Traffic is everything. Focus on 1 or 2 channels that fit your niche: organic content or paid ads. Organic traffic comes from valuable content, tutorials, tips, or inspiration on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube. Pick where your audience hangs out and create content that solves their problems. For example, a creator selling Lightroom presets, posts before and after photos, and tips on Instagram, driving thousands of visitors to her store. Content first builds trust and authority. Paid ads are faster. Use Meta, TikTok, or Google Ads to target your ideal customers. Start small, test, and scale what works. The goal: spend less to acquire a customer than you earn from their purchase. If you spend $20 on ads and make $38 in sales, you have a winning formula. Mix organic and paid strategies for steady, scalable growth. Keep your message clear and your offer irresistible. Traffic is the fuel, keep it flowing. Next, let's talk about scaling up. You're almost there. Getting paid should be seamless and secure. Modern platforms like Shopify, Gumroad, and Stan integrate with Stripe and PayPal, trusted, easy payment processors. Set up your accounts, connect them, and let the platform handle security and compliance. A smooth, professional checkout builds trust and boosts sales. No manual invoicing or payment headaches, the system does it all. Always run a test transaction to ensure everything works. Confirm the customer experience from purchase to delivery. Now, you're ready to drive traffic to your store. Automation is what turns your store into a true passive income machine. Use platforms like Gumroad or StanStore. They handle product delivery instantly and securely. Set up automated email sequences with tools like ConvertKit or MailerLite. Welcome new customers, deliver products, ask for feedback, and offer tips or discounts, all on autopilot. For example, sell a fitness guide. The customer gets the download link, then follow up emails with encouragement and upsells. You write these emails once, they work for you every day. Automation builds loyalty and repeat sales without extra effort. This is how you create a business that grows while you focus on what matters. Next, let's make sure you get paid automatically. With your niche chosen, it's time to set up shop. You don't need to code or spend thousands. Platforms like Gumroad and StanStore make it easy. Set up your store in an afternoon. Pick a name, add a logo, write a clear description, and upload your products. Don't chase perfection. Get your minimum viable storefront live and start testing. Focus your product listings on benefits, not just features. Use quality images or mockups. For example, a student I coached launched Notion templates on Gumroad in one day and made his first $100 by Monday. Speed and simplicity win at the start. Your storefront should be easy to navigate with a prominent buy now button and a short personal bio to build trust. Remember, your store is your 24/7 salesperson. Make buying easy and safe. You can always upgrade later as you grow. Launch quickly, learn from feedback, and improve over time. The goal, start selling, not perfecting. Next, let's automate your business. Let's quickly recap the steps to building your automated online business in 2025. First, choose a focused niche that matches your skills and market demand. Next, validate your idea by researching what's already selling. Set up your storefront using platforms like Gumroad or StanStore. No coding needed. Focus on benefits, not just features, and launch quickly. Then, automate your product delivery and customer emails. Finally, drive traffic with organic content or paid ads and scale up as you grow. Each step builds on the last, bringing you closer to 500 a day in passive income. Remember, the future belongs to those who take action. The tools and technology are more accessible than ever. Whether you're starting as a side hustle or aiming for full-time freedom, your automated business can change your life. Imagine waking up to new sales every morning, knowing your systems are working for you around the clock. Worried you need a huge budget or advanced tech skills? You don't. Most platforms are beginner-friendly and affordable. Think you missed the opportunity? The online business world is only growing in 2025. Start now, learn as you go, and let automation do the heavy lifting. Your journey to 500 a day starts with a single step.